Creators Alliance versus Ko-fi, which is honestly better? In this video, I'll be comparing Creators Alliance and Ko-fi to help you decide which is honestly better for creators. So to get started, Ko-fi is a great platform for creators who want a tip jar, quick donations, or one-time support. It's simple to set up and you can also offer shop items or memberships, but it lacks the depth of a full creator ecosystem. Creators Alliance offers more robust features. You can build a storefront, sell courses or downloads, and structure your business however you want. It's more customizable with better revenue options beyond just tips. Coffee is easy and beginner friendly, but Creators Alliance gives you room to grow. If you're serious about turning your content into a business, Creators Alliance is the better investment. Also, Creators Alliance claim that they have a huge amount of payout for each creator. But this may seem suspicious for some people, so there is an ongoing controversy regarding Creators Alliance whether it's a scam or legit, as some people reports that they cannot withdraw their money. And that is my breakdown of Creators Alliance versus Ko-fi.